Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change typing sound on Opera GX. So the first step you need to do is to open Opera GX. So once it is open, you simply need to click on settings and you need to open the settings of your Opera GX. So once it is open, here you can see that you simply need to scroll down and here you can see an option of sounds. Click on that option. Here you can see multiple sounds. Here you can see keyboard sound, so you simply need to you can listen from here as well and you can change that, and if you want to turn off you can turn off from here like this as well. So this is a process that you need to follow to change typing sound on Opera GX. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.